Good morning students. In this video we are going to discuss about types of cell on the basis of structure. So on the basis of structure there are two types of cell. First one is known as prokaryotic cell and other one is known as eukaryotic cell. So once again, what is prokaryotic cell? The cell in which nuclear membrane is not blend around the chromosome, or you can say the cell which do not have well organized nucleus, known as prokaryotic cell. You can see this is a chromosome and this chromosome do not have nuclear membrane, and such type of cell found in bacteria and grew in algae. The cell in which they have do not well organized nuclear membrane or chromosome is not surrounded by nuclear membrane, known as prokaryotic cell. Come to the next, eukaryotic cell. The cell which has well organized nucleus, that means nuclear membrane is present around the chromosome. Such type of cell is known as eukaryotic cell, and this type of cell found in animals and plants. So once again, what is prokaryotic cell? The cell which do not have well organized nucleus or nuclear membrane is absent around the chromosome, known as prokaryotic cell, and the cell in which nuclear membrane is present around the chromosome, such type of cell is known as eukaryotic cell. It is found in animals and plants. Come to the next, difference between plant cell and animal cell. This is the last topic of chapter 8, structure and function of cell. So what difference? First of all, you have to know the structure of plant cell and animal cell. It is given in your book. Okay. So see carefully how you will differentiate. So suppose that this is the plant cell, and you know that when you will draw plant cell, it is surrounded by the two boundaries. The outermost boundary of the plant cell is known as cell wall, and inside it has a thin cell membrane. Okay, and inside the plant cell it has a huge vacuole, or you can say well developed vacuole, and this is the nucleus. Okay, this is the nucleus, and this nucleus is not continuous, it is interrupted by nuclear pores. Okay, come to the next. Plants have a specialized cell organ known as plastids. It is absent in animal cell. Plastids. Okay, plastid. Next, plants have huge vacuole, and from the nucleus what present? Endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body. It is also found in the animal cell. This is endoplasmic reticulum and this is the Golgi body or Golgi apparatus, and mitochondria also present. Mitochondria present in both types of cell, either plant cell or animal cell. Okay, so this is the structure of plant cell. Let us see the structure of animal cell. Suppose that animal cell, it is spherical in shape and nucleus present at the center of the cell. So this is the nucleus at the center of the cell, and this nucleus interrupted by a small pore known as nuclear pore. Okay, and this inside the nucleus what present? You know well, inside the nucleus nucleolus present and nucleoplasm. Here also nucleolus and nucleoplasm, and from the nucleus there is endoplasmic reticulum, a network of tubules, and there is Golgi body. These are common in both plant cell and animal cell. Endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body. It has also mitochondria. It is also found in plant cell. Okay, let us see some difference. In animal cell, a special cell organelle which help in cell division known as centrosome present. It is absent in plant cell. One more thing, it has one more cell organelle known as lysosome. It is absent in plant cell. Lysosome, and each centrosome consists of two centrioles. Okay, so you can see difference. First one, outer in case of plant cell, and outer boundary is cell membrane. Second difference, in case of plant cell, the vacuole is well developed. This is vacuole. In case of plant cell, the vacuole is well developed, but in case of animal cell, it is smaller or absent. This is vacuole. In case of plant cell, the vacuole is smaller or absent. In animal cell, it is smaller or absent, but in case of plant cell, well developed. Third difference, in plant cell, centrosome absent. In animal cell, centrosome present. Fourth difference, in plant cell, lysosome absent. In animal cell, lysosome present. But in plant cell, plastids present. In animal cell, plastids absent. So when you know structure, you can easily differentiate. Now let us see by the chart how you will differentiate between plant cell and animal cell. So first of all, you have to make column, 3 columns. In the first column, you will write features. First column, you will write features. Okay. In the second column, you will write plant cell. Plant cell. And the third column, you will write animal cell. Animal cell. Let us see first difference. First, outer boundary. Outer boundary. When you will see the structure of plant cell, the outer boundary is cell wall, and here outer boundary is cell membrane in animal cell. Okay, this is the first difference between plant cell and animal cell. Outer boundary of the cell. In the case of plant cell, the outer boundary is cell wall, but in case of animal cell, the outer boundary is cell membrane. Let us see second difference. Okay, vacuole. Vacuole in plant cell, well developed and larger in size. Well developed and larger in size. Well developed and larger in size. And here it is smaller. In animal cell, the vacuole is smaller or less developed. Less developed. Come to the third difference. Third difference is plastids. It helps in photosynthesis. So plastids are present in plant cell. So plastids is present. In case of animal cell, plastids is absent. Fourth difference, centrosome. Centrosome and centriole. So centrosome absent in plant cell, but present in animal cell. Present in animal cell. And one more, that is last difference, that is lysosome. Lysosome. The lysosome again absent in plant cell and present in animal cell. So this is the basic difference between plant cell and animal cell. Okay. So once again revise. This is the last topic. Okay. Once again, what do you mean by prokaryotic cell? The cell which do not have well organized nucleus, that means nuclear membrane is absent around the chromosome. Such type of cell is known as prokaryotic cell. This type of cell found in bacteria and blue green algae. And what is eukaryotic cell? The cell which have well organized nucleus, that means nuclear membrane is present around the chromosome. Such type of cell is known as eukaryotic cell. It is found in animals and plant cell. So, and this is the difference between plant cell and animal cell. First feature, cell wall. Okay, you can say outer boundary. Outer boundary in case of any plant cell, cell wall. Animal cell, cell membrane. Vacuole in plant cell, when we see it is well developed and larger inside, and here smaller inside. Plastids are well present in plant cell and absent in animal cell. Centrosome absent in plant cell, present in animal cell. Lysosome absent in plant cell and present in animal cell. Now we have completed chapter 8, structure and function of cell. In the next class we will discuss about chapter 7, conservation of plants and animals. Thank you.